Hello everyone, this is TisABitNomish, otherwise known as Kindwin. I will be running this channel with hopefully weekly videos, blogs, little things, and also this and other things. But this is just a shout out to my mate's band. They're called Empty Situation. They're really worth a listen. They are a 4-piece alternative / punk / indie / whatever band from where I come from, Warrington, UK. They're currently writing their own material and recording whilst playing the odd gig around the northwest. They come from my old high school. They're really worth a listen. They are really good. Really understated as well. I've done covers such as like Sum 41, hopefully going to Muse and everything. Like the lead singers is the band members are called Gary and Gareth, Gron and Johnny. They're currently unsigned. They like 7 Day Weekend, Playing the Ghost, Collective, True Society. Influences are Yumi at 6, Blink-182, Sum 41. Their booking agent is emptysituation@gmail.com, and I hope whoever out here likes them enough to go check them out. I will be posting their YouTube channel and their Facebook in the sidebar at the bottom, and I will be leaving this video with a clip of their song Loose Lips Sink Ships. So I hope all of you like it and check them out. Right, thank you.